Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about trigonometry, and now I will show you how to prove about this one and this one. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So we need to simplify this one and this one. So we have like this. So we have the formula in here. So this one and this one, we have number one. Now we can do similar for the second one. So we need to convert this one into this one. So we have like this. Now we need to simplify it, and we have this one. So this one and this one, that is about number one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.